Hi there, English learner. I'm Sophia. And if you're feeling confused about English tenses, don't worry. You're definitely not alone. In this complete and friendly guide, I'll walk you through all 12 English tenses in a way that makes sense, feels natural, and is easy to remember. We'll use simple explanations, real-life examples, and small stories to help you understand everything clearly. This is your one-stop learning script for mastering all the English tenses. Let's get started together. We will divide the tenses into 3 time frames: present tenses, past tenses, future tenses. Each time frame has 4 tenses. Let's begin.
Part 1. Present tenses. 1. Present simple. Structure. Subject plus base verb or verb plus s or es for he, she, it. Positive. I play. She plays. Negative. I don't play. He doesn't play. Question. Do you play? Does she play? When to use it? Facts. The sun rises in the east. Habits. I drink coffee every morning. Routines. She goes to school at 8. Timetables. The bus leaves at 6 p.m. Examples. I live in London. He works in a bank. Do you like pizza? Mini conversation. A. What do you do every day? B. I get up at 7, have breakfast, and go to work. 2. Present continuous, present progressive. Structure. Subject plus am, is, are, plus verb plus ing. Positive. I am working. She is cooking. Negative. I am not working. He is not cooking. Question. Are you working? Is she cooking? When to use it? Things happening now. I am watching a video. Temporary actions. He is living in New York for a few months. Annoying habits. With always. She is always losing her keys. Examples. The children are playing outside. Are you studying English now? Mini conversation. A. What are you doing? B. I am learning English tenses. 3. Present perfect. Structure. Subject plus have, has, plus past participle. Positive. I have finished. She has eaten. Negative. I haven't finished. He hasn't eaten. Question. Have you finished? Has she eaten? When to use it? Experiences. I have visited Japan. Recent actions. She has just left. Changes over time. He has grown a lot. Actions with no specific time. I have read that book. Examples. Have you ever been to Paris? I have already done my homework. Mini story. Emma has worked at the same cafe for 5 years. She has learned many things and met many customers. It has helped her grow. 4. Present perfect continuous. Structure. Subject plus have, has, plus been, plus verb, plus ing. Positive. I have been working. She has been running. Negative. I haven't been working. He hasn't been running. Question. Have you been working? Has she been running? When to use it. Actions started in the past and still happening. I have been reading for 2 hours. Recent actions with visible results. He's tired because he has been running. Examples. They have been studying all day. She has been waiting for the bus. Mini scene. Tom looks tired. His friend asks, "Why do you look sleepy?" Tom says, "I've been working all night on my project."
Part 2. Past tenses. 5. Past simple. Structure. Subject plus past verb. Positive. I studied. She worked. Negative. I didn't study. He didn't work. Question. Did you study? Did she work? When to use it. Completed actions in the past. I watched a movie yesterday. A series of past events. I got up, took a shower, and left the house. Examples. We visited Rome last summer. Did you call your mom? Short story. Yesterday, Sarah woke up late. She missed the bus, ran to school, and forgot her homework. It was not a great day. 6. Past continuous. Structure. Subject plus was or were, plus verb plus ing. Positive. I was studying. She was eating. Negative. I wasn't studying. He wasn't eating. Question. Were you studying? Was she eating? When to use it. Actions in progress in the past. I was reading at 8 p.m. Background for another action. He was sleeping when I called. Examples. The kids were watching TV while I cooked. Were you playing games all evening? Mini conversation. A. What were you doing at 9 last night? B. I was watching a documentary. 7. Past perfect. Structure. Subject plus had plus past participle. Positive. I had finished. She had gone. Negative. I hadn't finished. He hadn't gone. Question. Had you finished? Had she gone? When to use it. Action completed before another action in the past. I had eaten before she arrived. Giving background info. He had never seen snow before last year. Examples. By the time we got to the theater, the movie had started. She had visited that museum before. Mini story. Ben was late to the airport. By the time he arrived, the plane had already taken off. He had forgotten to set his alarm. 8. Past perfect continuous. Structure. Subject plus had plus been plus verb plus ing. Positive. I had been working. She had been crying. Negative. I hadn't been working. He hadn't been crying. Question. Had you been working? Had she been crying? When to use it. Duration before something in the past. I had been studying for 2 hours when he came. Result of past activity. She was upset because she had been arguing with her friend. Examples. He had been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. Had you been working out? Part 3. Future tenses. 9. Future simple. Structure. Subject plus will plus base verb. Positive. I will call. She will go. Negative. I won't call. He won't go. Question. Will you call? Will she go? When to use it. Promises. I will help you. Predictions.
It will rain tomorrow. Quick decisions. I'll answer the door. Examples. Will you come to the party? I'll text you later. Mini scene. Anna, it's cold. Tom, I'll get you a blanket. 10. Future continuous. Structure. Subject plus will be plus verb ending in ing. Positive. I will be working. She will be waiting. Negative. I won't be working. He won't be waiting. Question. Will you be working? Will she be waiting? When to use it. Action happening at a specific time in the future. I'll be studying at 10 p.m. Examples. They will be traveling next week. Will you be using the computer? 11. Future perfect. Structure. Subject plus will plus have plus past participle. Positive. I will have finished. She will have left. Negative. I won't have finished. He won't have left. Question. Will you have finished? Will she have left? When to use it. Action completed before a future time. I will have finished by noon. Examples. She will have left before you arrive. Will you have completed your work by tomorrow? 12. Future perfect continuous. Structure. Subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ending in ing. Positive. I will have been working. She will have been living. Negative. I won't have been working. He won't have been living. Question. Will you have been working? Will she have been living? When to use it. Ongoing action before a future point. By next year, I will have been teaching for 10 years. Examples. He will have been driving for hours by the time he gets home.
Final tips for learning tenses. Create real examples from your life. Use timelines to visualize when the action happens. Practice mini dialogues or short stories. Listen to English and focus on verbs. Keep reviewing. You did it! You learned all 12 English tenses with clear explanations and real examples. Keep practicing these tenses in your everyday life, and soon they will become natural to you. English tenses may seem tricky, but with patience and practice, you can master them. Well done, and happy learning! Thank you for reading. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend. Let's keep learning together.